Today's story is about 7 little goats, a clever wolf, and a brave mother goat. Will the little goats stay safe, or will the wolf trick them? Let's find out. Upon a time, there was a mother goat and her 7 little goats. They lived in a small wooden house near a beautiful forest. The 7 little goats were happy and playful. Every day, Mother Goat took care of them. One morning, Mother Goat needed to go to the market. Before leaving, she said, "Listen carefully, my children. Do not open the door for anyone. A dangerous wolf lives in this forest." The little goats nodded. "Don't worry, Mother. We will be careful." Mother Goat smiled and left. Not far away, a hungry wolf was hiding behind a tree. He heard everything. The wolf grinned. "Today I will catch those little goats," he said. Soon he walked to the house. Knock, knock, knock. "Open the door, little goats," he said. "It is your mother." But the goats listened carefully. "No, our mother has a soft voice. Your voice is rough and scary." The wolf became angry. He walked away. The wolf went to a bakery. He bought some sweet honey. He ate the honey to make his voice softer. Then he returned. Knock, knock, knock. "Open the door, little goats. It is your mother." His voice sounded much better. The goats were almost fooled. But one little goat looked through the window. "I see gray paws. Our mother has white paws." Again, the goats refused to open the door. The wolf growled with anger. The wolf covered his paws with white flour. Now his paws looked white. He returned to the house again. Knock, knock, knock. "Open the door, my dear children." The little goats looked at the paws. They were white. The voice sounded soft. The goats thought it was Mother Goat. Slowly, they opened the door. Suddenly, the wolf jumped inside. Ha ha ha! The little goats screamed and ran. One goat hid under the table. One hid behind a chair. One hid in a cupboard. Others hid under beds and behind curtains. The wolf searched everywhere. One by one, he found 6 little goats, but the smallest goat hid inside a clock. The wolf could not find him. After a while, the wolf left the house and fell asleep under a tree. Later, Mother Goat came home. The house was a mess. The smallest goat came out of the clock and started crying. "The wolf tricked us." Mother Goat listened carefully. Then she followed the wolf's footprints. Soon, she found the wolf sleeping under a tree. Mother Goat had an idea. She rescued her 6 little goats. All 7 little goats were safe again. The little goats hugged their mother. "Thank you, Mother." Mother Goat smiled. Always remember, never trust strangers. Always think carefully. The little goats nodded. From that day on, they were much more careful, and they lived happily ever after.